NGT स्थलांतरीत केल्ल्याच्या निर्णया खातीर पुणे सावन दिल्लीक वचपाची गरज ना. सरकार कोणाकूच दुर्लक्ष करचो ना म्हण TCP मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला. ह्या वेळार खासगी उद्योगा खातीर कांय नेमांत सवलत दिवपा खातीर मंत्री सरदेसायान मान्य केला. RDX गोवा खातीर वेर्णेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
The focus of the Goa Forward Party has been to that Goans should get proper employment in Goa, and we should be able to provide this in order to prevent an exodus of Goan youth abroad. And there is a normal accusation against us that you are using the Portuguese passport and doing a out migration. So for them to come back, you have to create the job opportunities. Now, Verna Industries Association is one such body which can create those opportunities for the state, and for that we are willing to support it. Me as the town country planning minister is willing to give them an incentive which is across the board.
Commissioning of Dasa, I have been told that the water has been not used. In case, as Mr. Koskar said, they have been using a lot of water from bowells, which should not happen. It should, all the units should normally, take advantage of that, which will, in the long run, will help you. Because there are a lot of complaints from the villagers, which have even approached me, a few of them. So there are a lot of tankers which take water from the bowells, and they are getting hit very badly, the villages. The water table is running down. So now, since you have a water treatment plant, why don't you tell your units, but you take some strict action against that. So that is my request, that you should take advantage of this, what we have put, I spent crores of rupees for that, it's all for you all.
Major things, robotics based, 3D printing and on artificial intelligence. So world is going to be very different in 10 years time. So US is lobbying very hard with WTO and other things to create as a 3D printing hub. The designs will be controlled there, and India and Vietnam could be possibly the production centers. So maybe tier 2 jobs could be created here. So we need to be prepared. So Goa has to align, and I am sure today you all have raised some vital issues. Goa is becoming part of Sagarmala. Highway also is getting expanded, getting integrated. Keeping this in mind, IDC and the industrial stakeholders, the complete ecosystem of industry has to be redefined.
Infrastructure is put by GIDC, connection is by power department, and now the infrastructure itself is not proper. IDC is not having capable people to repair these street lights. So again we need to sort out this problem along with GIDC and power together and come to a conclusion how we can sort out this street light issue, because so many people are employed here. Lot of the ladies has to walk at 7 o'clock, it is dark, and it is very difficult for them to commute. All across industrial estate, only few places we had repaired it, but still now it is not functioning. So we have to find out a proper solution for